First of all, turn off the printer, and unplug the electrical cable. If you've recently used the machine, let the printer cool down. The fusers could be very hot. Remove the toner cartridge, and the drum unit. The drum is often built into the toner cartridge, but sometimes it's a separate unit. Keep the drum in a dark place. The light may damage it. Here's what the drum looks like. If present, remove the transfer belt, and the waste toner unit. Don't touch the drum, and the transfer belt surface, with your bare hands. A laser printer uses powdered toner in the print process, and a defective toner cartridge could leak toner inside the printer. To clean your printer, you need alcohol, and a clean cloth. A toner vacuum would be perfect. A toner vacuum is capable of gently removing the toner from inside a laser printer. However, the toner vacuums are expensive. Don't use a normal vacuum. The average vacuum cannot filter toner dust effectively. Don't use compressed air, or canned air. They sometimes spray moisture, and the dust could fly all over the printer, and inside the scanner unit, causing more problems. A dust mask is optional. If inhaled, whilst not dangerous, powdered toner can sometimes cause irritation. Don't use flammable substances, or any type of spray, to clean the inside of the machine. Moisten a clean cloth with a little water, just enough so that it is damp, not wet. Distilled water works best, but any clean water will be fine. Remove the spilled toner, and the dust, from the internal surfaces. Toner is likely to build up under the cartridge housing. Try to be as gentle as possible when cleaning inside the machine. Some components are fragile, and costly to replace if damaged. To clean parts that are difficult to reach, use a paintbrush. To clean the electronic contacts, isopropyl alcohol is ideal. It quickly evaporates, leaving no residues behind. Alcohol is great for dissolving grease and oil. If present, rub a swab along corona wire to remove the built-up toner and the dust. Clean the paper pickup roller with a dry soft cloth and alcohol to prevent paper jams. The rollers might be near the paper tray. They are made of rubber, and are about 2 cm wide. Clean the transfer roller, the foam roller near the drum, with a dry cloth. Clean the glass of the scanner unit with a cotton cloth. You can use a normal glass cleaner, or alcohol. Do the same with the glass of the laser scanner, inside the printer. Remove the paper tray. Wipe any accumulated dust and debris that has collected. Vacuum out the fan vent. In this case, you can use a normal vacuum. Be as gentle as possible when cleaning your printer. Some components are easily damaged.